British English we have the sound O. In African languages we have the sound O. You're welcome. Today we're going to be doing the sound O. 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 Oh 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 oh. Did you notice that? In British English we have the sound O. In most African languages we have the sound O. So the difference is very clear. So if you want to get that impeccable British English, you want to get that sound correctly, come to this segment where we just play with the sounds. Today we are playing with the sound O because today I am infatuated with the sound O. I love the sound O. I love the sound O. Oh, 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 oh. I love the sound O. I love the sound O. I love the sound O. Oh, 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 oh. So that is how you improve the way you speak English. So if you have words to say like go home, Joe is going home. Oh no, oh no. You wouldn't be saying Joe is going home. Oh no. If you do that, you're using the African sound O and not the typical British sound O. So come on, let's play again. Oh 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 oh. And more on the sound O, you can go to any of the segments where I have explained the phonetic configurations of the sound, and you will notice it is a combination of two sounds, the sound and the sound When you put the two together, it gives you O, the and the the and the Put the two together and you get O. O O O O O O O O O O O O. Thank you so very much for choosing this segment. My name is Peter Piper. You can keep watching my videos, keep sharing it, keep liking it. I am passionate about helping you improve the quality of your spoken English. If you already haven't done so, click that subscribe button and do not forget to press the notification bell so you will always get a notification every time we send a new video. Thank you.